Welcome to Canvas Grades and SpeedGrader. In this portion, we will be discussing gradebook displays. To access your gradebook from the course navigation menu, select Grades. The default gradebook allows you to see all students' assignments and grades. In the gradebook menu, you can also switch between several options such as Learning Mastery, which displays the Learning Mastery Gradebook. This assesses outcome standards being used within the Canvas course. This gradebook is a course-level feature option that has to be turned on through your course settings and requires you to create outcomes, add them to your rubrics, and then align those rubrics to your assignments and assessments. Individual view allows you to assess one student and one assignment at a time and is fully accessible for screen readers. Individual view currently does not support settings and options from the gradebook. Gradebook History displays the Gradebook History page, which logs recent grade changes in the course according to the student, grader, assignment, and date. Thank you for watching. For more information, please visit clt.odu.edu.